Welcome back to the bi-weekly Tuesday Tech Tip from the Kane County ROE. My name is Phil Morris, Director of Operations and Technology. Over the last year, we continue to see discussion about artificial intelligence, otherwise known as AI. AI has been around and being used in many ways with our technology, from making recommendations to completing sentences, automatically responding to you during a chat, and many other ways. So, let's start dipping our toes into how you can use AI. This is just the beginning of showing you one small way you can use AI. Recently, I had to write a recommendation letter for a colleague. As I started to write it, I found it difficult to just organize and get my thoughts together. So I decided to see what AI could do for me. For this task, you can use ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini. And I decided to use Gemini from Google, which is located at gemini.google.com. When you arrive on the page for the first time, you will need to log in with your Google email account. Then you will see some sample prompts and then a prompt area at the bottom to make your request. In this case, I typed in, write a reference letter for Phil Morris, Director of Operations and Technology. And then just wait a couple of seconds and it will produce the letter, which you can then copy and paste into your word processing program and make any edits. I highly recommend reading what it produced and make appropriate edits to give it your voice. Using Gemini, you can also click on Show Drafts and it will show you 2 more options you can begin with. You can also continue to enter more information in the prompt area to update the draft. I suggest you click around and see what options you have. Remember that AI is not perfect and you must read and edit whatever is produced. As you begin to dip into using AI, you will see the ability to have it draft policy, research products, create graphics, make music, and much, much more. The Kane County ROE is also adding a new administrator academy called Harnessing AI for Enhanced Productivity in School Administration. Participants will learn how AI tools can streamline tasks, enhance decision-making, and build a more effective learning environment. Be on the lookout for an announcement for when this academy is scheduled. I hope this quick tip gets you started using a little AI in your work. I also ask that you take a moment to like and share this quick tip on your social media.